What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video, another little simple project with JavaScript. So, this is the project we're going to be working on. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe already. And yeah, we're growing slowly but steady. All right. So what I have in here is just I built this little application. Supposedly, this is a car. A car. It has the wheels, and there is the user input right here where we're going to be entering input, like update color. We want to change the color of this car, so let's just do blue. And then we're going to update the text. It says welcome to my bus, and we're going to update it to say something like I love this bus. And then we're going to update the front wheel color. Let's just do red, and also the back, also let's just do red. And then we just do submit, and that's what we have. I love this bus. And the colors, and we can change different colors. Let's just do uh, purple. Purple. Let's just get to say I. What do I say? It will rain tomorrow. Something like that. It has been raining lately. Let's just do yellow. Yellow color in the front, and then let's just do maybe like cyan on the back. So made that, and then what we have, it will rain tomorrow, and then we have yellow and cyan in the back for the tires, for the wheels. So basically that's what we have. This is what the application is going to. It's pretty simple, but we're using JavaScript, we're using the DOM, we're using a function, we're using event listeners, and yeah, let's go ahead and do it. If you are ready to go, I already have my IDE open, all my text editor ready to go. So let's just go ahead and do it. All right. So right here we're going to start with. So we're going to do everything just in one file. Okay. I could separate my styles and a different file, and also my JavaScript and a different file, but we're just doing it in one. Just to do it quick and fast. So okay, we're going to have a div right here, and right here is going to have a class name, and we're going to call this main container. Main container. Inside here we're going to have a form, which we're going to be using that for the user input right here. And right here we're going to have an ID by the name the form. Okay. And inside right here we're going to have a label, and we're going to say update color. We got the color right here, and then we're going to have, after this, we're going to have an input. So, or now in the input we're going to have an ID. I need an ID by the name. We're going to put color, and then we're going to have a type, which is going to be text. Okay. So and now we just copy this part, this line of code, and then we just go back again to the next one. And actually we're going to have in here a tag right here. Okay, same thing right here. um, so no, the next one is going to be update text. And then we're going to have right here as an ID update text, and then it's going to be text, and then we copy this line of code, and then copy it again. I mean paste it again, and then this one is going to be update the front wheel color. Update front wheel color. Okay, and this is going to be, oh wow, I changed the wrong one. No, actually I did that right here. So the ID has to be more descriptive. I put it just color too somehow, because we're just working with colors. It's going to be text, and we got one more. Update back wheel color, and then right here in the ID we're going to have color 3, and then we're going to have input for the submit button. So right here we're going to have an ID by the name submit color, and then we're going to have a value. Button type is going to be a button, and then we're going to have a value. It's going to be submit. Yeah, I was right. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see, we're saving this, so let's go to our browser and take a look. All right, that's what we have. Cool. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Now, let's go back again to our text editor. So we have those. Okay. Now, so let's just do, we're going to have another div for our car. For that car div. Oh man, I didn't do it. Okay. And this one is going to have the so let's see what we have. Container. Actually, we're going to do in a different div outside of this div already that we have. So okay, right here, this is going to be car. Identity by the name car, and then so here we're going to have another div, and this is going to be by the ID. We're going to call it body box. Yeah, just like that. Body box. Now, inside the body box is going to be another div that we're going to have the text. An ID, this is to change the text, right? So this is going to be text. And then we're going to say, welcome to my boss. Welcome to my boss. Okay, cool beans. And now we have the tires. We're going to do a couple of divs over here. Okay, let's just yeah, let's copy that. We're going to have an ID. This is going to be called front wheel, and yeah, front wheel, and then we're going to have the back wheel. Let's copy this line, and paste it right in the bottom. I'll just right, oh man, below that. I'm going to call back wheel. Okay, let's save that. Let's see what we have. Yeah, it wouldn't be that much. Yeah, welcome to my bus. So that's the we have. Okay, alrighty. Let's go back again. Okay, so we have our structure. Now let's do some style. Okay, let's do some style over here. So we're going to do a main. I think we'll put it as a class main container. Pretty simple. We're going to do padding 100 pixel. Okay, we're going to leave it at that, and then we're going to have, yep, the ID card right here is going to be position relative. Mhm. And then we're going to have the form, get an ID. So that form, which is going to be, we're targeting that, all of this right here. So we want this to display to be flex display. What the? We want to be, oh, display. And then we want to be flex direction. There's going to be column. And then we have polite items. We're going to do center. Let's save and see what we have so far. Okay, cool beans, that's what we want. Let's go back. Okay. Now let's just work with that button. Submit color. Is that how we call it? Submit color. So right here, what we want a padding. It's going to be 10 pixels, and then we're going to have a color. It's going to be white. After that, we're going to have a font size. So we want 20 pixels on this one. Then we want the background. We want the background is going to be purple. Did you say purple? Yeah, we want purple for the button. And then we want a border radius. We want this to be 20 pixels. Let's see what we have. Go back to our browser, and bam, nothing. So let's save. Let's see. There's something tidy wrong right here. Submit. Oh, okay, I think it's the name. Yeah, submit. What did I submit color? That's not even submit. Suf. See, I even know how to spell that. Submit color. Is that how you say it? Submit color? Submit color. Yeah, let's just do it that way. Let's save it. Go back, refresh, and bang, we got our button. Oh yeah, there is the circle black border right there. So let's fix that. Pretty simple. We just come over here and we just say border. We're going to say none, and that should take care of that. We save that, go back, and bang, that's gone. Okay, cool. That worked. It's working good. So now let's target a box for our car. So let's go back now. see, we're going to say the ID body box. So right here we have a width is th, huh? Th. We're going to have 60%. We want the width to be 50, I mean 60%, and the height right there is going to be 150 pixels. And then we have a margin 0 auto, and then we have a background. It's going to be black. Background. Okay, let's save that and see what we got. Oh yeah, so we're showing it. Yeah, just a box right there. Cold beans. Let's go back, and now, so we get a box. Let's work on the wheels. So we call this front wheel. And then we have position, absolute position, position, absolute. And then right here we're going to have left 65%, and then we're going to have top we're going to have 130 pixels, and then we're going to have background color. Just the background is going to be white, and then we have a border for the tires. We're going to have a 3 pixels solid. We have black. Okay, 2 pixels of black, and then we have border radius 50%, and then after that we have width th, we got 60 pixels, and then for the height we have same thing, 60 pixels. Let's save that and see what we got. Oh wow, way over there. Let's see. Actually, oh, let's see, 30%. Let's go back and check it out. What we did wrong. Front wheel. This is 60%. It should be 30%. You know, actually, let's copy this. So that's going to be our back wheel. We're going to put back wheel right here. 30%. $130 pixels. Let's see, let's save that and see what we have. Oh, nice. Way over there. Okay. Let's see. Okay, cool beans. Let's keep looking at this. Okay. So let's fix those tires. Look like they are too far. Oh, come on. Where are you? Right here. Okay. So front wheel, back wheel. Okay, let's see over here what we have. Oh yeah, position. My position is like, I don't know how to spell position. And this should fix our issue that we had. It should be bang right in there. Yeah, I knew there was something wrong. Excuse me. So the CSS is already done. I think that's what. Oh, actually, we get a text. What is the text? It's not showing the text. Let's go back. Oh, come on. Paying my bills, huh? Come on, Pokemon. Okay. Now, right here, backwheel, now we have text. Now we have a color. It's going to be white. Then we have font size. We're going to be 30 pixels. And then we're going to do font weight. Font weight right there. Going to do 600. And then we're going to text align, center, and that should take care of our text. Oh yeah, welcome to my boss. You got it right there. Okay, cool. Now, yeah, this is doing nothing because there's no JavaScript yet. So let's work on that. Already have my tags to go. Alrighty, so let's work on our JavaScript. We're going to do a function. First of all, we're going to call it change background. We're going to call it change background. We're going to pass no parameters right there, and then we're going to use a variable right here. First variable is going to be color1 equals to document. We'll get element by ID. And now right here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be passing it's going to be that value, because we want to get that value from that form, which is going to be colored, right? So right here, so we're getting this value right here. Every time the users input something or enter something, we're going to get that right here. Okay, so now, so we're going to do let. So now we're going to say a div document that get element by ID. So right here we're going to pass the body box. The body box. Then we're going to do let text document that get element by ID. And this time we're going to be getting the update text. And then we're going to do value, semicolon, and then we just do let. We're going to do a div text equals to document that get element by ID right there. And then right here we're going to do the ID text. Then we do another one, another variable we're going to call wheel color. Document, we'll just do that right there. Oh yeah, document, we need the document that get element by ID. And then right here we're going to say the ID color 2. We got color 1, color 2. We're going to get that value, semicolon, and then we're going to say another variable right here, wheel div document that get element by ID, and we're going to do now front wheel, front wheel. Front wheel, and then we're going to do let another variable wheel color 3 equals to document that get element by ID, and then right here we're going to do color 3. We're going to get those values again, the value, and the last one I'm going to say wheel div 3 equals to document that get element by ID again one last time, and then this is going to be just a back wheel. The back wheel. Okay, after this we're going to have a div. We're going to get that the variable div right here for the body box, so we can change the colors. We're going to say style that background background color, so equals to what? Going to be equals to color 1. Okay, and then we got the text. We're going to get that text too, so right here, so we're going to get this value, right? But we need to pass that text style. We need to get that text. I mean, div text that we're going to change. We're going to get the input right here, the value, and then we're going to change it whatever the user changes it. We're going to do that, and we're going to say inner HTML equals text, which is that variable right here. And now then we got wheels div right here, wheel div that style that background, so we're going to change that color from the user's input, background color equals to wheel color. We're going to get that input wheel color right here, pan. And you know what, let's just copy this line of code right here and let's paste it right in here, and then we're going to change it. We're going to put it right there, 3. Yeah, my variable should be more descriptive, you know, but yeah, couldn't think of other variable names, but yeah, so that's what I got. So now over here we gotta work with a submit button. We're going to say document that get element by ID, and then we're going to say submit. Let me say submit. Is that what we say, color? Yeah. Submit color. Okay. And then we're going to add a event listener, and then for the click event, click comma, and then we're going to return the click. We're going to pass the function, which is going to be change background right here, and comma, it's going to be false. So basically every time we click the submit button, it will it will click submit button, and then it will execute everything under the change background function, which is this one right here. All of this is going to be executed pan in one function. I think we saved that, and let's go back and try our browser. It should work. Okay, let's do green. Let's do what up, and then let's do update the color. Let's just do blue and blue. Submit button and pan, and that worked. We can change a different color. We can just say, oh man, I don't even know my colors. Let's do yellow, and let's say, hey, I love programming, and then we just change to, man, what color the tires. Let's just do pink and red. Pan. Yeah, I love programming. Let's just change that to maybe purple. Okay, that's a lot better. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for this video. It was pretty simple application, you know, using JavaScript. So hopefully this helped you, and hopefully you enjoy it. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you next in the next video. Alright, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.